Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. While the primary focus is often on the timing of your eating and fasting windows, like the popular 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window, it's equally important to consider the types of foods you consume during those eating periods. For instance, if you fast for 16 hours, but then consume ultra-processed, unhealthy foods like chips, chocolate, and soda during your eating window, you're unlikely to see significant benefits in terms of weight loss or overall health. In this video, we're going to discuss 10 key healthy food and drink groups that you should consider incorporating into your diet while practicing intermittent fasting. Number 10 is highly overlooked and is probably the most important on this list, so stay tuned till the end. Before we dive deeper, if you're finding this content helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights like this. Your support helps us keep bringing valuable information to you. 1. Lean protein. Protein is essential for overall health, immune function, and maintaining muscle mass, which is critical for balancing blood sugar and keeping your metabolism high. A lack of muscle can lead to weight gain, higher blood sugar levels, and frailty. Excellent sources of lean protein include salmon, eggs, and chicken breast. Other good options are cottage cheese, plain yogurt, legumes, almonds, cashews, and seeds like pumpkin seeds. If you're considering protein powder, make sure it has no added sugar. However, it's generally better to get your protein from natural food sources. Healthy fats are crucial for optimal health, yet many people mistakenly fear them. Healthy fats are necessary for cellular health, energy production, hormone synthesis, insulation, and organ protection. Including good fats in your diet is also essential for metabolizing fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin D and beneficial herbs like turmeric. Sources of healthy fats include olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, and olives. Seafood is an excellent choice during your eating window, offering high-quality protein and omega-3 fats that are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Some of the best options include wild-caught salmon, rainbow trout mackerel, sardines, anchovies, mussels, lobster and shrimp, lobster, and vegetables are vital for optimal health and should be a staple in your diet during intermittent fasting. Nutrient-rich vegetables to include are spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Other good options are cabbage, celery, and asparagus. Fruits can be a nutritious addition to your diet during intermittent fasting, but it's important to choose low to medium sugar fruits to avoid metabolic health issues. The best fruits to include are raspberries, blackberries, kiwi, grapefruit, apples, strawberries in moderation, lemons, limes, avocados, and tomatoes. Whole grains are unique because they can have varying effects on different people. For some, they don't cause blood sugar spikes, inflammation, or gut distress, but for others, they might. If you can tolerate grains, opt for healthy whole grains like oatmeal, millet, quinoa, and brown rice. Avoid all refined grains, especially if you have conditions like celiac disease. Legumes and beans are excellent additions to your intermittent fasting meal plan. They're packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals, which help balance blood sugar, curb hunger and cravings, reduce LDL cholesterol, and promote gut health. Consider adding black beans, chickpeas, green beans, lentils, and kidney beans to your diet. Herbs and spices have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and can make your meals more enjoyable, which is key to sticking with your intermittent fasting plan. Top choices include turmeric, ginger, rosemary, cinnamon, and sage. Probiotic-rich foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi help restore the natural balance of bacteria in your gut, which can be disrupted by illness or treatments. Probiotics may also help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Now, last but not least, remember that any drink with calories is likely to break your fast, so avoid soda juice or coffee and tea with milk, creamer, or sweeteners during your fasting window. However, you can have water, unsweetened coffee or tea without any additives. In fact, coffee and tea, especially green tea, can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. The best drinks to consider are black coffee, herbal teas, green teas, and water. Ready to dive deeper into intermittent fasting and unlock its full potential? Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and strategies on health and wellness. Got questions, or want to share your fasting journey? Or do you have any top tips on foods that have worked well for you? Feel free to share them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and help you out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on intermittent